In today's fast-moving crypto market, emotions often drive decisions more than logic. Prices rise, prices fall, and investors constantly question whether they made the right move. Recently, a strong message surfaced within the XRP community: buy, hold, forget. This message came from crypto pundit and XRP advocate Arthur, also known as XRP Arthur, and it quickly sparked discussion across the market. His message is simple on the surface but powerful underneath. He believes that those who cannot hold XRP for at least 2 years may not deserve the rewards of the next major price expansion. According to him, the real opportunity lies not in chasing short-term pumps, but in trusting the long-term growth of the XRP ecosystem, its infrastructure and regulatory progress. So in this video, we are going to break down why this mindset matters, how the market is reacting, and what this could mean for XRP's future. So, why is patience the core message behind buy, hold, forget? Arthur here strongly emphasizes one trait above all others: patience. He points out that the past 2 years went by faster than most people expected. From his perspective, if time can pass that quickly, then holding XRP for another 2 years should not feel impossible. His message encourages investors to step away from emotional trading. Instead of reacting to every dip or news headline, he promotes a mindset where investors establish their position and allow time to do the work. This philosophy reflects a belief that true wealth in crypto is built through endurance, not urgency. Arthur also highlights how much the ecosystem has matured. Infrastructure upgrades, regulatory clarity, and ecosystem tools like RLUSD are forming the foundation for future value. In his view, these developments aren't short-term catalysts. They are long-term builders of stability. So, how is regulation changing the game for XRP? One of the strongest pillars behind Arthur's confidence is regulation. Unlike the uncertainty that once surrounded XRP, regulatory clarity regulatory clarity is slowly forming. This is crucial because institutions don't move without clear rules. With clearer frameworks, large financial players can now build systems on the XRP ledger without fear of sudden legal disruption. This alone separates XRP from many speculative assets in the market. Regulation also brings credibility, and credibility attracts capital. When institutions feel protected, liquidity grows. That liquidity strengthens price stability and long-term confidence. This is why Arthur believes the market has not yet fully priced in XRP's true potential. So, what role does RLUSD play in XRP's future? RLUSD is becoming quiet but powerful piece of the puzzle. Unlike hype-driven tokens, stablecoins serve real financial solutions: settlements, liquidity transfers, and cross-border efficiency. Arthur believes RLUSD will enhance the XRP ledger's utility by making it more attractive to institutions and developers. This isn't speculation, it's infrastructure. When stable systems are built, value naturally follows. By enabling fast, low-cost settlements, RLUSD strengthens XRP's position as a bridge asset. Over time, this could significantly increase demand, not from retail hype, but from real-world use cases. So, why are some XRP holders still frustrated? Not everyone shares Arthur's optimism. Some community members express frustration, saying they have held XRP for years with little reward. One comment summed it up clearly. And it says here, I've been holding for 3 years and nothing happened. This frustration is understandable. Long periods of sideways price actions test even the most loyal investors. However, perspective matters. XRP recently climbed to $1.87 after previously reaching an all-time high of $3.65. Just 2 years ago, it traded near 0.69. That growth may not feel dramatic to some, but it signals progress, not stagnation. The foundation today is far stronger than it was in the past. So, is XRP actually in a stronger position than before? Yes. Fundamentally, XRP is in a much better position today. Infrastructure has expanded, regulatory clarity is improving, institutional interest is increasing. These are not hype driven metrics, they are structural. Arthur's belief isn't built on price charts alone. It's rooted in development, adoption, and positioning. XRP is no longer fighting for survival. It's preparing for scale. This is why he urges holders to zoom out. Short-term price action may be noisy, but long-term progress often happens quietly. So, why is the real message? What is the real message behind buy, hold, forget? The message is not about ignoring reality. It's about trusting a long-term thesis. Arthur encourages investors to remove emotion, stop chasing hype, and allow time to work in their favor. This mindset requires discipline. It's easier to panic than to wait. But historically, those who remain patient during uncertain phases often benefit the most when adoption accelerates. And finally, my own personal opinion about this is that the message behind buy, hold, forget isn't blind optimism. It's strategic patience. XRP's evolution is happening beneath the surface. Regulation, infrastructure, and utility are aligning slowly but steadily. While short-term volatility will always exist, the long-term foundation appears stronger than ever. For investors who understand the technology and believe in its real-world use, time may become their greatest ally. And this finally ends our video. Thank you very much for watching and see you on the next one.